Namaste students. I hope you all would have finished celebrating your Diwali festival. Now this is the time for you to concentrate on your studies. Now we are conducting a revision for your offerly examination. In this session, we are going to discuss some topics from your chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. And we have finished discussing topics from your chapter number 1 and 2 in our last session. First, we will discuss some points from your chapter number 3. Then we shall move on to chapter number 4. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software designed to show complicated information in a visual forms. Graphs, charts, tables, etc. are some of the examples of visual forms. MS PowerPoint is one of the most popular presentation graphics software available today. Next, views. What are views? Views of a presentation refer to the ways to display presentation content. And these are some of the views of MS PowerPoint 2010. Normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slideshow, notes page, slide master are some of the views of MS PowerPoint. Normally in our presentation we will be using normal view as well as slideshow view. Next is animations. Animations are the movements applied to individual objects on a slide. And these are the 4 kinds of animation effects in PowerPoint 2010. Entrance effects, exit effects, emphasis effects and motion path. So using this you can create animations in your slide. Animations are nothing but moving objects. Next one is transitions. What are transitions? Transitions are special effects that introduce a slide in a slideshow. When a new slide is introduced in a presentation, the way is called as transition. The way how the slide is introduced, the method. Okay. Slide transition is a way to control how the next slide will replace previous slide in the slideshow. After seeing a slide, it has to go, then new slides has to be displayed on the screen. So the transition is that way to introduce a slide in a slideshow. How you will set transition type to a slide? First you have to select transition tab and you have to select the transition type from the transition to this slide group. I repeat, to set a transition type to a slide, first you need to select transition tab, then you have to select transition type from the transition to this slide group. And even you can set the timings and sound to a slide during transitions. This can be done from the timing group of transition tab of MS PowerPoint. That is, from timing group of transition tab, you can select sound effect and transition timing for your slide. Next is action buttons. Action buttons or shapes or text inserted in slides and set to link to another slide, play a sound or video or any other similar action. To set action buttons, you have to select Insert tab and you have to select the action from links group. Then you have to proceed accordingly. You can insert video or audio files in MS PowerPoint slide. To achieve it, again you have to select Insert tab and from media group you can select either video or audio option. Then you can proceed accordingly. Next, you can import materials from other applications to a slide in MS PowerPoint. To achieve it, again you have to select Insert tab and from the text group you have to select the object, and after selecting the object you have to click the OK button. And students, now a small test for you. See the questions and write the answers and we can check your understanding level. Yes, students, fill in the blanks. Dash tab is used to insert audio or video file in a slide. Action buttons or shapes or text inserted in slides and set link to dash. Third one is animations or the movements applied to individual dash on a slide. Fourth one, dash or special effects that introduce a slide in a slideshow. Fifth one, which view allows you to see multiple slides simultaneously and rearrange order of slides. Okay, have you finished writing the answer? Okay, here is the answers for that fill in the blanks questions. Check your answers, students. If all your answers are correct, well and good. If any mistakes is there, now learn the correct answer and prepare well for your half-yearly examination. Now we shall move on to the chapter 4. You all are very familiar with chapter 4. Why? Because we have discussed this for many times for your PA2 revision as well as for your PA, your half-yearly internals. We have revised it for many times. So it would be easy for you, I guess. What is Scratch? Scratch is a block programming language. Scratch is useful to create interactive stories, games and animations, etc. Scratch offers both online and offline interfaces. And you are very well familiar with this menu. In Scratch programming languages, there are 4 types of menus: File, Edit, Tips and About. File menu is used to create new project, open and save existing project, etc. Edit menu is used to go for small stage layout, turbo mode or undelete thing. And About menu gives more information about Scratch, and Tips menu offers tips to work in different ways in Scratch. And these are the tools available in the toolbar section of Scratch programming language, and these are associated with the sprites on the stage. Yes, students, duplicate, delete, grow, shrink, block, help are some of the tools which is available in the toolbar section of Scratch. And here I have listed some important points under the note topic. First one is sprites or objects that perform actions on the stage. Second one is the stage forms the background for the project. Third one, a script is a stack of Scratch blocks. Fourth one, the scripts area is the area where scripts are assembled. It can be accessed from both the stage and from sprites. Block palette is the place where all types of blocks are available, which is used to represent various types of actions. Now, we are going to discuss about block types. There are four types of blocks: hat type blocks, stack type blocks, reporter blocks, and cap blocks. Stack type blocks are again classified into plain action type, interaction type, and C type. Yes, students, again a small test for you from your chapter number 4. Okay, you write the answers for these questions. In Scratch, you can dash and dash sprites. Projects are made of objects called dash. Dash tool is used to draw your own sprites. Stage is also known as dash. The program or script must begin with the dash block. And these are the answers for that, students. Check your answers. And we are coming to the end of the session, students. I would like to give some guidelines with regard to your offer day examination, students. Go through the books. Okay, go through your computer science textbook. Only 4 lessons. It is easy for you to get good marks in all the subjects. Okay, so go through the book. If you have any doubt during our online session, you can text your doubt. That is, you can type your doubt using the chat box. Your doubts will be cleared. Yes, students, I'm ending up this session with this note. Thank you, students.